Guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video we are looking at how to get your TubeBuddy Milestone Certificate. So guys, what's TubeBuddy? It's a extension for Google Chrome to increase your SEO, improve your views, subscribers, help you to get more subscribers and amazing keywords so you can explode and come on the ranking on the top on the search box. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can get the TubeBuddy Milestone Certificate. You can see if you sign in TubeBuddy, you can just simply click over here milestone and you will find, and you can click if you are available over here, just view. It will open a new tab. And guys, as you can see over here, your milestone certificate, if you want some other, you have to like take a pro version. You have to buy the TubeBuddy license. Right now I don't have, but soon I will take. I will also prefer you to take, and after all, just simply hit download over here, and it's right over here. It's come. Let's open and see. So guys, you can see over here it looks something like this. So guys, that's all in this video. I just show you how to get your TubeBuddy Milestone Certificate. Hope you enjoy. Leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.